So if you've taken Glide's other certification programs, you've learned now how to make custom software without code. And if you've taken the AI certification, you also know how to really leverage AI to build powerful business software. But with AI and workflows, we've come to a new layer where we can combine everything we've learned so far and create custom agents that can work independently. Agents are a way of combining AI with automation in safe, controllable ways so that you can create new software that works independently. Now, if you're a business or you're building for business, you've probably heard a lot about agents. There is a lot of noise, and for good reason, because agents, when they're built well, can literally do work for you on a scale that wasn't possible before. But from what we've seen, most businesses don't tend to know how to make this kind of technology work within their existing systems, because a business is a complex thing and it's already in progress, and off-the-shelf software and agents often force a business to adopt or conform to very different ways of working. But when you build agents in Glide, there is so much less friction and compromise for that business because you're building adaptive software. In other words, you can build with the business from the ground up exactly the features they need when they need them. And most businesses are not used to this feeling, this speed of adopting and improving, because most software doesn't allow it. So in this course, we're going to teach you how to do this, how to build new agents in Glide, either for your own business or as an agency building for business. The first section introduces the foundational Glide features that power your agents. We'll introduce workflows, cover the different trigger types, and lay the groundwork for the other sections. In the next chapter, we'll cover what agents actually are, how the industry is thinking about and implementing them, a deeper look at prompting, because as you'll find, agents require a lot more depth here, and a look at data standardization. In error handling, we'll dive deep into one of the most important parts of agent design, where you increase the reliability through strategic error handling and make the agent more self-sufficient and also able to surface issues for humans. In the final section, we'll bring everything together to build and deploy fully operational agents. We'll talk about planning, testing, and publishing. So if you're ready to get started, dive on into the course. If you need support at any point, check out the other certifications in Glide University. You can ask questions or hang out in our community or join our expert program. We'll see you inside.